Hello, Ellie. You are 10 years old. Yes, you are. Here's my baby bird. My baby bird. Baby bird. Okay, coffee. Okay, I think it's done. I think I can. It's hard to do this when you only have one hand. One hand. Okay. Usually I have two hands. I lift the one and I lift the other and I trade. Oh wow. My is soaking in vinegar there. Ah, I got a drip there. I do this with my left hand? I think so. Okay, we're good. We're good. There, that's how it's supposed to be. Okay, both ends have been soaked in vinegar for at least half an hour, if not more. Okay, that's good. And this has been soaked in vinegar for the same amount of time. Let's see if I can reach in there. I can get it this way. Okay, yes, there we go. Is that clean? Yes, it is clean. All right. And they are done. And I will okay. All good. It was that light was working for a couple of days and then it stopped working again. It's a mystery. The vacuum is winding down, I see. Oh, I didn't put that shit. Oh, well, I pushed that aside yesterday. It does get in all the little nooks and crannies, doesn't it? Usually I push my finger in. But I pushed it one way one day and the other way the other day, so it gets clean under there. Are you stuck? Yes, you're stuck. Get stuck in those corners. It's a very clean corner, let me tell you. All done. Oh, good. Ah, we're gonna clean the other corner, are we? What's under there? Nothing. Okay. I think we can give up on that. There we go. Yeah. It gets it done. And it gets all the spots. Look at that. I mean, it's quite thorough. Sometimes I leave the stools down and put them out in the middle, even that one, so that everything gets dusted, so that even back there gets dusted, vacuumed. Yeah, I don't want it going over there, so I block off the water. This is blocked off because it's too cool. In the winter, I have that blocked off so that the actually I don't have that blocked off in the winter. In the winter, everything's mushed in behind there. But in the summer, I like to have that blocked off so that any cooling goes up and it doesn't cool down here. Are you stuck behind there? Yeah. You're stuck over there. And I get it to go around that slight. Yes. Anyway, coffee. Coffee. And your board is pushed over so that it doesn't get vacuumed. You still have that mark on your nose. You have a mark on your nose. You get in trouble with those girls. Yes, and they punch you. And you bat each other. Yes, you do. Your nose is thinking of dripping. Yep, it is. It's not terribly warm outside. It's not terribly cool outside. It's okay. That is what. It dripped, didn't it? Vroom, vroom. Okay. Oh, that worked. Okay, so that's done. That's done. Okay, I just need to get well, I could probably disassemble some things here. Put my weights back. They live in my there. That's there so the cats can step up. Yep. Homeward bound. Yes. sometimes use that stool so I can step up and have a look at what the plants are doing. Okay, oh, and that's it. It is done. It tries to vacuum the corners here too, which we try to dissuade it. There we go. Done. Okay. I have a sweet potato that's going to get made for supper tonight, and I got some spinach last night. I got some spinach. That's in there. I washed it. I have pizza. I'll have that for lunch. So I'll have spinach and a yellow pepper for lunch. Yeah, that's good. Okay.